Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you legitimately bought the item. Find the receipt or digital order and the payment method used. Once done, keep the product and packaging untouched. This preserves proof and prevents accidental damage. Make a quick note of where and when you bought it, since staff will ask. These steps matter because stores can remove security devices only after verifying ownership, and documentation speeds the process while protecting you from misunderstanding or delays. Next, take the item and proof to the store's customer service desk and ask politely for tag removal. This is the standard, legal route. Explain the situation and present the receipt and ID if requested, and make sure removal happens in view of staff so there's no confusion. If the first person cannot help, request a manager or security associate. This avoids damage to the item and ensures the tag is handled with proper tools and authorization. If staff refuse or the tag won't come off, escalate. Call corporate customer service with order and store details, or request a follow-up visit or authorized mail-in remedy. Make sure to document every interaction, names, times, and any case numbers, so you have evidence if needed. Do not attempt to pry or cut the device yourself, because that risks damaging the product and could be misinterpreted as tampering. If necessary, consider a consumer protection complaint for unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.